What's good, what is good, my sizers? We're back again with another video, and today we will be doing a suite tour at the Delano Hotel. For those who don't know, the Delano is connected to Mandalay Bay, but they're two separate hotels because the Delano is just a hotel. So let's do a suite tour. Let's get into it. Another super cool aspect of staying at the Delano is that you can get a newsletter specifically for your stay, and they have in-room dining. How cool is that? Now, the great thing about staying at the Delano is outside of each room there is a doorbell, and if it's lit a different color, it means different things. So one light means do not disturb, another light is requesting housekeeping. And I just think that's a really nice touch. Immediately to your left, when walking in, you're gonna have your bathroom that your guests will be able to use. So there's one toilet and one sink. There is no wall art in this bathroom like there usually is in some of the hotels here. It is a little dim in here, but that's because the light is out. So then when we leave there, we are greeted by the living area. As you can see, there's a desk, you have a couch, there is wall art here. Everything is well lit. There is ceiling to floor windows, and you know that the room has been cleaned when they keep it on the firewood area screensaver. Checking out the view. As you can see, we are looking at the Luxor and then the private airport. There's also part of Mandalay Bay right here on the right side. And then you can see what once was Tropicana over here on the left. They did tear it down. And then Oyo is to the right of that. So that is our view in this room. And the cool thing is they do have double curtains. So like this first one is just to shield the light, how much light gets in, versus the second pair all the way back there are like blackout curtains. So like you really just can't see anything. And then moving on, we have a mini bar area over here. So there's a sink, you have coffee available. They even give you 2 cups, and that is your ice chest. But they also give you some shelving area, just in case. And then, what is this? Oh, this is a mini fridge. However, this is fully stocked. That means if you touch something or pick it up, then you have to pay for it. And it'll tell you all of that right there. So it's not for personal use, and anything that you pick up, you'll be charged for. It literally says a $50 per stay service fee will be applied for storing your personal items, or if you change whatever items are in this mini fridge. So use it at your own will and caution. Moving on to the bedroom. This is the bedroom, nice and spacious. This layout kind of reminds me of the pyramid rooms in Luxor for like the bedroom, because remember how they had like that side living space on the left side? I'll link that below in the description. But here is your bed. They do have these reading lights that you can turn on, and there's also an outlet available. But if you turn those on, the room gets a little brighter. There is a TV, and there is also a wardrobe. Let's check it out. Oh, that's so cool. Did you guys see the light come on when I opened up the wardrobe? So you have a shelf on the very top here, but I can't reach that, so good thing for the tripod. And of course your ironing board, the safe, it comes with a couple robes and a drawer right here. I've actually never seen a drawer in a wardrobe. So that's cool, you get a drawer. So walking into your bathroom, you have your toilet here on the left, and then you have a double sink setup. I like how when the mirror has like the LED light around the border. And then another cool thing here is you have your magnifying mirror And then this switch right here will turn on the light so you can see all the imperfections. And this is some more shelving available for you. You have hand soap, body lotion, more shelves on this side. You even have shelves down here where you see the blow dryer right there, and they give you towels. This is their tub. It is so deep. So this is your tub, and then that's where you hang your towels for when you're using the tub. That's how you turn on the water and stuff for the tub. And then here is your shower. It is a glass shower from ceiling to floor. And there's the shower head, a better view of the shower head, I should say. All right, you guys, so if you were ever curious as to what a suite at the Delano Hotel looks like, then here you are. That concludes this week's video. If you guys have ever stayed here or want to stay here, put down in the comments your experience or what else you want to know about staying at the Delano and the experience in itself. And be sure to smash that subscribe button down there while you're at it. Toodles!